Samsung Smart TV hard reset. Factory setting reset default is typically done when we want to sell or there is a major problem that can only fix with a hard factory setting reset. First of all, power on your Samsung television. Second, press menu button on the remote control. Scroll down to spot option in the menu and press enter button on the remote. Then select self-diagnose option. Pop-up banner show enter security pin, then press OK. Default security pin is 0000. The factory setting reset screen will be shown with the warning banner message. Select yes and press OK button on the remote control for confirmation. Now factory setting restore process start. This hard reset process take 1 to 5 minutes. During in this factory reset, first TV turn off, then TV on automatically and will display setup screen. Thanks for watching. More videos, please subscribe.